Our AI is literally too good to make this a difficult training exercise. What's going on, everybody? Wanted to make a quick video. I actually was not intending to make a video today, but thought this was kind of cool, so wanted to share it. So for context, I've been setting up a capture the flag with the help of AI to actually go through practical utilization, kind of threat hunting into incident response with AI query as a training mechanism for utilization of the tool. So pretty standard stuff, working with AI on it. And then at the end of it, I asked AI, like, hey, how long do you think this would take roughly? So I kind of put that up here. Obviously take it with a grain of salt, but anywhere from like an hour or 2 hours. So got it created, ran it, set it up, and I read through the questions ahead of time, and I was like, yeah, that estimate seems about right, but I'm not just going to give this to people without me doing it myself thoroughly, obviously. So I was like, let me go through it myself, and you know what, for fun, let me actually just record myself doing it. So that's what we have playing super fast here on the right-hand side. And what was supposed to take an hour, maybe 2 hours, took all of 16 minutes. Yes, obviously, I helped create this. Yes, I do know a little bit of what I'm looking for, but I swear to you that I actually didn't know the literal artifacts that I'm trying to find. I just pre-read the questions effectively and was going based off of that since I changed it a bunch of times. So again, yes, there is a little caveat. This is probably faster than you normally expect, but still 16 minutes versus 2 hours. And as you can see, if you can see it, my head's, obviously all tiny and whatnot in there, but I actually sent multiple texts, responded to an email, and set my fantasy baseball lineup all while doing so. And the reason I mention this is because the AI within AI query has gotten too proficient that even asking questions like, suspicious services created or abnormal Windows application logs created in the last several hours. Perfectly identified literally all of them. I could just copy and paste the questions and then there you go. So that kind of takes all of the fun out of a capture the flag because there's not multiple steps and it's not that difficult. But that's obviously a good problem to have, right? We're all about reducing time to context, and what better way to showcase reducing time to context than the fact that I literally cannot make a capture the flag that is actually challenging because our own specialized AI generation is too good at generating the appropriate queries to make it difficult. So I thought that was cool. I thought that was funny. If you are interested and want to check it out yourself, even if it is a little simple, I made some tweaks to make it a little bit more complex, but please let me know. Otherwise, check out our videos on YouTube and LinkedIn, and until next time, see you, everybody.